We're going to be experiencing tropical storm force winds and feeder bands and squalls all night long. So your best bet, hunker down, stay safe, and stay tuned. We will get the information to you just as quickly as we get it.
We've got generators that have backed us up not only here on site but also at our transmitter, at our tower sites. So keep that in mind. Keep your radios locked into any of our 6 Clear Channel radio stations as you experience the effects of Hurricane Ivan. We're going to take a quick break, and if you have any questions, call our office line 769-1400.
The eyes of the Panhandle are on Hurricane Ivan, but customers of the Allstate Floridian insurance companies can rest assured the catastrophe teams are on the alert to move.
I'm going over to Walter's PA though. You guys want to sit there and play video games the whole time, but I'm just going to go over here to Walter's house and watch the hurricane. And shit's hit the fan, dude. It's gusting to at least 70 to oh my god, look at that. It's crazy out here, dude. I mean, like, everything's bending over backwards. All kinds of shit's going down, dude. Like trees and stuff. It's awesome. You guys are missing a good storm. No, I'm gonna sit in my truck like I tried to get you guys to come out there and do, but you didn't want to. Holy shit, dude. Wow.
Yeah, Dom, a rather volatile situation across the area. The eye looking to make landfall fairly soon, and probably the Gulf Shores area. Let's take a look at Viper really fast so you can see exactly where this storm is right now. And there we go. We have it in loop, and it will not be long before this storm actually does make landfall. Now, in terms of the wind gusts, we have seen a wind gust as high as, Greg, how high is that wind gust? 74 miles an hour is what we did have here earlier at the station. Nonetheless, it looks as if tropical storm force winds are extending from about Panama City Beach towards the Destin area. And from Destin westward, it looks as if hurricane force winds are affecting the area. Roof over here shake a bit, and then we up. There we go. Now we're back to nonetheless, there is a curfew out there, so you should not be outdoors to begin with. So that's the way the situation looks right now. The tropical storm force.
Kicking pretty good. look at it. This is. Hey Nick, you still awake? Better be, man. We're getting a lashing from hell. There's the hurricane. Awesome. Now this is some intense shit right now. Look at that. Man. Man, look at that. That's a hurricane. Man, we are getting a lashing.
Yeah, it's got a lot harder here. A lot going on here, too.
Oh my god, dude. Oh shit. Oh! Lights out. We just lost power in the beach. And I got it on film too. Sweet. I had it on night shot. We're completely black. We're in the dark. I knew we were going to lose power. Nope, now it's back on. Oh my god, I don't know how long that's going to last. Are you hearing all this, man? We're getting a lash. There it goes again. Power out. Man, it's just like... It's getting bad, man. I'm like underneath my carport with the camera on, recording it all. I can only see it on night vision.
Yeah, it's not like bad like over there, but it's getting pretty bad over here.
Hey, we just lost power again, dude. I got both power outages on video camera. We're in darkness again. Oh, now we're back. Oh, damn, dude. Now we got power again. It just went out and it came back on. It went out, it came back on, and like you can see flickers. What? Film in the storm. What the hell does it look like I'm doing? Man, this is like the run of the storm. I'm filming it. Losing power left and right. This is yeah, oh, dude. Is that our power line hanging? Oh my god, dude. I think we got a power line down.